How to use Facebook Marketplace. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your device. Here, simply click on the Marketplace at the bottom. After you click on Marketplace at the bottom, click on Categories at the top right. And you'll find Top Category. Select the one which you want to see in the Marketplace. You can also click on Local Listings at the top to see listings of your area. Or you can click on the category and you will find all the available vehicles near you, as you can see. Another thing, what you can do is you can click on what you want, and then you can click on Message Seller, and then you can message the seller to ask for the product's information. You also find descriptions at the bottom as you scroll through it. Another thing what you can also do is if you want to add your product, you can press on Sell at the top left. Then click on Items, Vehicle, Homes for Sale or Rent. Select the one you prefer. Then you can click on Add Photos, add the image of your product, add title, price, category, description, and you can turn this on or turn this off and press on Publish at the top right, and your item will also be listed only after the Facebook approves. And this is how to use Facebook Marketplace. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.